Our lives has been pretty much dependent on the use of electricity. Right from the need of light to even the need of entertainment, we will need enough power supply to run them whenever the needs come every day. Do we always have to depend on the main power? No, there are power generators to use too. Smart Power for All is what you need. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Yes, we actually need power generators in our daily lives because more you use electric-based household tools at home, the higher the price you will have to pay. If it is like this, we can't expect to be able to save much money for other life needs. Not to mention, there is always possibility for the main power to fail. However, it is not like there is no alternative to resort to while the power goes out like that. What we can do to counter such thing would be to use power generator. As the name suggests, this is the kind of devices that can generate power for you. If you don't want to risk the life of your family within the darkness, you've got to consider using power generator to use whenever you need it. It would surely be a lifesaver for you. Why not consider choosing Smart Power for All, Smart Solar Box? There are many generating devices that can't be trusted and are not reliable enough to even consider after all. We need something easy and handy to use, really cuts down the electric bill, and is priced at affordable price. While it might sound like too much demand to ask from such device, there is actually power generating device that can grant such wish for you. Yes, it is none other than the Smart Box. With the solar box of Smart Power for All, you can save money even though you keep the electricity on and has it gone throughout your home. It is not one coming as a ready-to-use device though. Instead, it teaches you how to make one. Still, there are many nice things coming from it making the device yourself. In itself, it makes great experience that would not bother you with annoying stuff. The Smart Power Box is actually a simple and easy to follow plan tutorial. The plan taught to you will show you the way to make a device that can generate power. All you need to do to make one is to use few parts and tools that you can easily find in hardware stores. Have the parts ready and you will be ready to make the device following the instruction you get from the plan tutorial. Once it is done, you can place it anywhere you want. You will be surprised at how small the device can be. It is so compact that you can even take it around with you. The use of this smart power device will help you cut the electric bill by up to 68% too. This is one accomplishment that you can't find in just any power generator. You can absolutely be thriftier with this device here. Considering how easy it is to make it and how handy it is to use it, there is nothing more to ask for. Click the link in the description below this video for details.